Exposing the hidden costs of skill gaps in maintenance, you won't believe how much it's affecting your bottom line. Across industries, there's a growing skills gap in maintenance that's hitting companies where it hurts, their wallets. An aging workforce, rapid technological advancements, and a lack of interest from younger generations are all contributing factors. What does this mean for your business? Increased downtime, skyrocketing maintenance costs, and potential safety risks. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they're significant financial burdens. To tackle this issue, companies need a multifaceted strategy. Invest in training and development programs to upskill your current employees. Integrate employees to equipment-specific video content as a collaborative effort. And don't overlook the power of technology. Implement remote support for your equipment during the transition period, allowing your team to learn and feel that you have their back. By adopting these strategies, you can bridge the skills gap, enhance operational efficiency, and secure long-term sustainability. Don't let skill gaps drain your resources. Act now and turn this challenge into an opportunity for growth. Click the link below to learn more.